Want to make a strong offer on a home? We have some tips for you on this week's Team Tuesday.
Woo, cue the crowd.
Hi, I'm Realtor Mike Tofel, and this is Christi Reece.
Hello.
We want to give you some tips on how to make your offer stand out in this increasingly competitive housing market.
Yeah, it's getting tougher out there as the spring housing market kicks into gear, and we're starting to see more multiple offer situations. So how do you make your offer rise above the rest, Mike?
Well, first off, work with a real estate agent. We are your local market experts. We know what's working out there and what isn't. And we know what sellers are looking for. You can certainly make an offer without an agent, but we're going to make your offer professional, complete, and more likely to find success.
Second, really understand your budget. Work with your local lender to get this figured out and pre-approved for a home loan. This shows you're serious and gives you a competitive edge over all of the other buyers that you may be competing against.
Third, make a strong but fair offer. Obviously, you want the best deal for yourself, especially if your budget is tight. But if you offer too low, there could be some risks. It could be thrown out right off the bat if the seller feels insulted. Ideally, you want the seller to at least consider negotiations. Our role as agents is to help you find the right offer for you, but one that will get considered by the seller.
Fourth, trust your agent during negotiations. You may submit an offer, then the seller may want to negotiate with you, and more than on just the price. It's important to be flexible and to understand what is important to the seller. We are your partners in navigating all of these details. In fact, most of us on the team are certified negotiation experts, so we really understand the right way to negotiate on your behalf for your success.
So if you're in the market to buy a home, give us a call at 970-589-7700. We're here to help you on that journey. Thank you for joining us for Team Tuesday. Have a great day.